Hello everyone, my name is Negar Rostamzadeh, research scientist from Google. This work was in collaboration of a multidisciplinary team of researchers and with the participation of researchers and clinicians from a very wide range of expertise. Machine learning approaches are rapidly being integrated in health applications. Consequently, there are many concerns and risks identified that are associated with the use of ML technologies for healthcare as a high-stakes scenario. There are already many healthcare ethics frameworks and regulations. However, existing regulatory frameworks that could cover health data are limited in their applicability to the general use of health data sets for machine learning. On the other hand, ML fairness community already identified many issues with ML systems that are traced back to data underlying the development process of ML systems. How can documentation of data help with surfacing the issues? One of the pioneering work in data transparency is coming from the datasheet for dataset paper by Dr. Gebru et al. That's inspired by documentation in electrical engineering practices. With this work, our first goal is to contextualize datasheet for health applications. To contextualize the datasheet, we brought together a team of interdisciplinary researchers with expertise in ML for healthcare, ML fairness, applied ethics, and human-centered design. With this group of interdisciplinary researchers, we co-defined notions of transparency and accountability for health context. After grounding our research on these definitions, we adopted a datasheet for an early version of Healthsheet that we call primary Healthsheet. Then we interviewed experts with variety of expertise and also validated and examined the Healthsheet by creating Healthsheet for 3 publicly available datasets, Mimic3, MSOAC, and floodlights, taking notes of the processes, limitations, challenges, as well as gaps in existing documentations. Participants of our interviews were selected from a wide range of expertise and knowledge, such as ML for healthcare, legal and regulatory expertise, clinical, product, and privacy. Relying on literature, interviews, and our case studies, we expanded in the following topics: dataset versioning, inclusion criteria, and accessibility in data collection and use of demographic information, devices and contextualized attributes in data collection, labeling and subjectivity in labeling, and finally, challenge tests and co-founding factors. We would like to mention this health sheet doesn't mean to serve as the most comprehensive health data guideline for machine learning health documentations. However, we want it to serve as an initiation point of discussion on ML for healthcare data documentation. Thank you.